The revolution has always been in the hands of the young. The young always inherit the revolution. Huey Newton. No real social change has ever been brought about without a revolution. Revolution is but thought carried into action. Emma Goldman. When dictatorship is a fact, revolution becomes a right. Victor Hugo. Revolutions are the locomotives of history. Karl Marx. Welcome to our video lesson, students. This is perhaps the right time to talk about revolutions and social change, as you are all teenagers and you understand by this time that feeling of dissatisfaction and growing restlessness and turmoil that adolescents feel. You're also pushing back a little bit against authority figures, rebelling against the no TV rule during exams, or debating with your guardians whether you're allowed to stay over at a friend's house. However, these are small elements of your daily lives, which never make you feel as powerless as lack of the fulfillment of your basic needs would be. These small pushbacks are against a small unit, your family. When these little rebellions do not work, and these small daily pushbacks take the shape of a much bigger, game-changing mass protest, revolutions are born. So, what are revolutions? And how have they helped make society better and bring about social change? Revolutions are mass riots and protests that lead to the forceful overthrow of a government or social order and replaces it with an alternate system. Why are revolutions necessary in a society? Revolutions are necessary because, over a period of time, a system of governance becomes stagnant and corrupt. Some people gain enormous power and influence and wealth. Poor people suffer badly due to rich people exercising this influence to become wealthier and more powerful. Poverty, lack of basic amenities such as education, health, and sanitation, lack of employment, and social discrimination also play a huge role in making a huge section of the population dissatisfied and helpless. Revolution is the people's way of changing a system that they find is oppressing them and working against them in long term. Does this mean revolutions are very frequent and happen all the time? No, not at all. Every government, whether big or small, is very powerful, and only the biggest, most organized revolutions are ever successful. The other, smaller protests are crushed mercilessly, just like the Indian Revolt of 1857 against the British. However, there are also plenty of examples of successful armed revolutions which have brought down governments and have brought about remarkable social change. We have 2 such examples this year in your syllabus. Yes, in our next videos, we shall study about the French Revolution and the Russian Revolution. We shall get to know what caused them, what happened during these historic events, and what were the long-term consequences of these important movements in history. These revolutions are important as they made great headways towards the universal understanding and granting of human rights and social privileges. They both ruptured the idea of monarchy and destroyed the age-old system of a king or an emperor ruling the whole country with an iron hand and leading lives of luxury at the expense of the poor. They tell us how excessively unequal distribution of wealth and resources in a society finally kill that society and give rise to a new age. Before we take your leave, remember that the spirit of revolution lies within each of us, and it is not necessary that protest always takes the path of violence. We have examples from our own country where peaceful protests and non-cooperation have been able to achieve what armed resistance could not: our country's independence. Peaceful resistance is therefore as important for social change as armed resistance, even perhaps more. So remember, fighting is not the only way to resist. Each of you can bring social change if you become better citizens, if you are aware of others' needs and challenges, and if you learn to work for the greater good and not just your own gain. See you soon for our next videos. Goodbye.